My name's Morgan. I'm a Master Aesthetician at Juvly, and today we are doing CoolSculpting on Liz's lower abdomen. What that is doing, it's kind of freezing the fat cells permanently. So we're shrinking her lower abdomen.
So right now we are doing some CoolSculpting. It's my first session ever. Morgan's doing it for me, she's an expert. So right now we're just in the prep phase and we'll be putting it on in just a second.
There's very minimal downtime. You can usually go right about your day, and it takes about 3 months total to see results.
CoolSculpting utilizes called cryolipolysis. So it's the idea that fat cells are gonna freeze before the other cells in your tissues. So that's how it's able to target those fat cells, kill them off, and then they're gone forever. So when it first goes on, it really just feels like, it's kind of like a vacuum sensation, like something sucking up that fat in that area. And then after a few minutes, you start to feel the cold, and it really just feels like if you're holding like an ice pack on there too long. So it starts to feel kind of frozen, kind of cold, and then it goes numb after a few minutes. It works on anybody, but it's the most effective for people who have like those stubborn pockets of fat, wouldn't you say? So like people who have, especially lower abdomen, women, we always tend to carry fat in that one area, and it's that stubborn fat that you can't get rid of with working out or dieting. So this is really good for that because you can target those pockets.